What's good? What's happening? What's going on, team? What's going on, team? We live. You can see right now as we speak. Let's go, team. Let's go. We're doing this, team. Okay, great. What's happening, team? I hope you guys are doing well. Here we are, team. Here we are once again back on another session. So yeah, man, we are gonna be doing this big. Let me just start off first by looking at what the news has for us. The news actually came out. You can see USD happened. I didn't really want to be involved in the news around the time when they were coming out because obviously you can see with the chart here as well, it was too volatile. So I didn't want to be caught up on the wrong side. So let's go, bro. Let's go. So yeah, man. Oh, I forgot my camera is actually on this side here. Let's move it right here. Yes, perfect. Here we are. Here we are. I hope everyone is doing well. You guys are having a great day. I just came back from the gym. I took a little nap. I tried to nap actually, but I didn't really nap. So but yeah, man. Literally when I looked at the time, it was like time for the markets, and I was like, I know, let's just put in the work and stuff. So yeah, man, let's do this. We're giving it our all. I can already see here with the news, NFP came out, the non-farm employment change. So right now I can simply see that this is more on like what was forecasted as 414k, and what actually came out is less 57k, which means that this is actual is greater than forecast, and right now we're seeing that actual is less than forecast, which is not good for currency, which is bad for currency. So far this is what I'm seeing when I'm just being able to just open up on this section here of things. So let's just come back down to the dollar and see, since now already with the macro is saying that it's not good for the dollar. So you can see here what happened. It's not good. They're showing evidence. We had this big push to the downside, on which, truly speaking, maybe I don't know, this area here could have been but let me just come back out to the 1 hour to just see what we've been seeing since the higher time frame. This is what we've been seeing since yesterday. Remember, price has been going down, chopping like this here, back down, up, and then we've been ranging. Yesterday we were here around these areas, and I was like, guys, this thing has to go slightly more up because we tested here and then go down. And you can see what happened. Everything happened. Price came up here, we had that push down, break below these structures here, and then now we came back to retest, and then we had this big push down. So this is good to see, which shows that there is a lot of strength to the downside on the dollar index. And even here I can see we took out some lows. So the best thing is having to look for how far are we gonna go to the bottom. We could still push. Let's say, for instance, first target could be somewhere around here, So yeah, man, with this it will be nice to just see price slightly going up for something like a retrace, and then we can take a sell down. So we'll have to see and manage it. So let me just see what gold is saying. Already with gold, we understand that the dollar going downwards, it means that gold will be going way upwards, bro. We're going upwards. And I won't lie, I think this is where with gold we're gonna be seeing it be massively bullish. This area where we've been playing we've been ranging in between here for the last few weeks. You can see since like the 25th, 24th, so like maybe a week and a half, somewhere there, we've been ranging in around those areas, right? So right now I can see that this resistant first, second, we had this third where I even caught a sell yesterday, remember, right? And right now we tapped it, we went out. You understand? Yesterday I was looking at price coming and dropping till here, and you can see it pushed till here. I even mentioned that there's a high chance it might go up, and right now it's doing all that, and what I'm seeing, we still have potential price going more higher, but obviously buying it here, it's not really, doesn't really make sense for me. My way of trading wouldn't really allow me to trade this way, so it would be nice to see it maybe just give us that drop, and then once we get here, can be able to find a buy all the way up. Then I can target these areas somewhere here, because we could potentially even come here. Let's go. So let me just see it on the 5 minute to see if you see already with the 5 minute we had that big push to the upside here, so I just wanted to come back down here, bro, and already obviously with what I want, high chance that it might not really come all the way down there, because if there's a lot of buying power it might not get there, but that's what I would like, and once it gets there, that's the only best place that I would buy it at. But if it doesn't, I wouldn't really buy it, right? I wouldn't. So the only best way that I could buy gold is if it pushes a bit more low, like somewhere here. Maybe have my stops, because even if I add up a trend line here, you can see, man. So third touch here, price go back up. So my stops could be, maybe I could have it here to be super aggressive, but that's too risky. Looking at the fact that the market is slightly more volatile today, I could have it here also to be on the safe side, but even here, man, it's much more better, because there's still more to the upside, right? We're still going beyond here and stuff. So 1:2 right here. Yeah. So I'll just see. I'm not really looking for a sell on gold, so I'm not really interested in a sell. Let's go, team. Let me see what Nasdaq has for us. So Nasdaq on the 1 hour, one thing that I'm seeing is, bro, but it's been moving well yesterday and stuff. Remember yesterday I was looking for a sell here. It played around here. Eventually later on after the session, it went to the sell, activated, type thing, went to the bottom, went to the buy, activated, hit the sell, take profit, activated, go to take profit. But obviously it happened after the session, so I didn't go in. I was not in it. I was not even looking at it, and I just laughed when I saw it this morning. So right now I can see that we respected these resistance areas here. We came and took out these these lows here, so we could be looking for a sell here, truly speaking. In fact, I think we're preparing for a sell right now as I'm speaking. Yeah, bro. Right here. Nasdaq, I see it's still pushing down, but I'm trying to see if I can find an entry on it. I'm not too sure, right? Let me just put another here. Okay, let's look at what gold is doing. Let's go, team. Let's do this, bro. Okay, gold is still somewhere there. Gold, let me put an alert as well somewhere here. Okay, let's see S30. Hopefully S30 today has something for us. Last few days hasn't really been giving me any setup. Didn't really place any trades, but I can see it's been going upwards here. So the best thing with USD would be looking for buys, because see how it's pushing upwards nicely. It's just that it's too high for me to, look for buys where it is right now. And it keeps on breaking these highs here. So let's just see what it has. Here's those highs there. Okay. Okay, do I think price can come at the bottom and then tap in, go back up? That would be a nice setup. Because even if I can just extend the trend here, it's me saying that price can come here, tap in, and then go back up. That would be nice, because I want to buy it, which means that I have to find myself on the right side, right? So let me just see. Selling it won't really make sense, because you can see how bullish this thing has been. I just wouldn't like if it does, like, funny stuff, because it's your state, it can do funny stuff. I wouldn't really like it, but okay, gold might not be ready any moment now. Yes, not yet. I'm trying to see if gold can, like, maybe give a young push up before it gives a drop to the bottom. Find out that it can give an opportunity, but it's risky, bro, because selling a buying market, ooh, not safe. But I can see we created these lows and then we took them out. Which means that it's showing commitment wanting to go to the bottom, right? But let me just observe it. Okay. Yeah, I think 10 is fine. Yo, it's been some time since I put a trade on US30. But yeah, man, I'm thinking the setup is the one that could, potentially just do something. Let's see. I'll learn from it. I think very true. Hopefully it's 30, because I'm just looking at it. I think it can, it might want to do something. So I'm just going to go in not too much risk, because there's more opportunities as well on Nasdaq and on gold. So today I might find like maybe 3 trades. But with that being said, I need to be extra careful in terms of like risk less, because if I'm gonna put more trades, like instead of risking, let's say for instance $500 on one, and if I lose twice, I lost $1,000, I can divert it into like $250, and then when I lose, I still have like room for three more losses. You understand? So you always have to like look at it that way as well. But yeah, man, right now it's New York session. You can see the news came out saying that dollar is gonna be bearish, and with that, bro, we're just gonna have to see as well what gold can do for us. If dollar is bearish, gold we're going up. And I'm tempted to take it here for a sell, but I know that we're going up. It's just that I believe that we have to test in these areas before we push up. So let's see if I can just okay. But I just think gold is gonna. What did I? Yeah, but I just think gold is gonna give a nice sell before it goes up. Yeah, man, I feel like gold could be setting up for a nice clean sell. It's not gonna be nice if it doesn't activate me, but it's okay. Let's go. Let's see what happens. Yo, bro. Nasdaq, that's what's happening with Nasdaq. Yo, bro, today I won't lie, but I'm seeing setups on 3 different, like I'm seeing setup on Nasdaq, on gold, on, so it looks like it's gonna be a very busy day. That's why, like I did, you saw even with the risk, how I went about executing on gold. I also reduced some risk, right? So that at least, man, like it all falls less than, it's all less than, I don't lose too much, because I don't want to also plan on just the win. Obviously the goal is to win when you're trading, but you want to also leave out room for error, like, if they don't work out, all of them, how much are you gonna lose? Okay, and then calculate it, see if you're comfortable with that. If not, adjust it, work around it. Yo, look at gold. It's going down. I wanted it to push up a bit before it gives that downward. I think Nasdaq is setting up for that nice team saw. Let's go. Okay, bro. I think, yeah, man, these are the 3 opportunities that I'm looking for today. I have to be very careful because 3 trades at once, it's not easy, bro. But I knew that today I'm looking for 3 trades. And yeah, what do you think Nasdaq is going to activate first? Let's see which one is going to activate first. Let's see. I think maybe US 30 might activate. I just want to be able to leave out room for error. Two contracts is gonna be too much. Yeah. Let's see. Your gold is still. Your gold is just cracking the low, but it can still come up. Let's just see what's gonna happen. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't go up, this thing here. Because I see now we came here at the bottom, took out here these lows. So yeah, it also closed below, so you can see, but I still see opportunity it coming here. So yeah, hopefully now it just does that push up, comes here and then goes down. And I'm just hoping that it doesn't boom go up, you know. So obviously the only way to know is to see it happening. Yo, this one here went back up. We could see price pushing down from here around these levels here. Let's just see if it's gonna allow us. Let's just see. Yeah, listen, yeah, I really wanted it to come back down here, but yeah, it didn't. Let's see if it's gonna like spike out or something, do a spike to come back in. We're already closed a bit more above. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to remove the pending orders for it. I don't know, maybe let me just wait. It can still come back down. But yeah, look at that. Let's see what's happening now. Ooh, Nasdaq, bro. What is going on? There comes the you see it done like, yo, it's very dangerous, bro, because imagine if you sold it stop loss here, you out, bro, you out. And imagine it doing this. It's too volatile now. Even Nasdaq, bro. We're still following through. We're still here, bro. We're still here. We're still following through. Can't switch up. USDT is too wild. Look at it. But yeah, man, guys, we're doing this live right now. My head is in the market, so yeah, I'm not really, I'm just looking straight in, so don't mind me. But yeah, man, obviously, guys, if you're new here on the channel, this is what we do each and every single day. We look at the markets, we analyze the markets live. Also do some executions. Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is only for education's purposes, because this is what I'm doing on my side. So you don't have to copy something that you don't know. It's not good anyways. But the best thing that you can do or use these sessions as is for education's purposes, which is to learn and do things like that. So yeah, man, let's go, let's do this. Obviously, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, tune in. There's more videos that you can learn from. So right now you can subscribe, like this video, obviously team if you're finding value. But let's go, bro. Oh, the market is so wild. Okay, gold, we get in there. Gold, we get in there, bro. We get in there. So gold, once again, it's very risky, bro, because remember, there's two ways. It's either it's gonna and go up, which I would have to take it, you understand, like that negative I would have to understand, or it can respect, bro, and go down. So that's why, bro, all that has to be set out before, as long as I didn't rush it, because as long as I waited for my setup is the most important thing. Because if I rushed it when it was still here falling, right now it'd be in a bad trade, you understand. Like if I rushed it when I was here and I was like, I know, guys, it's leaving me, boom, right now it'd be in a negative, so at least I waited for my trade. So yeah, that's one thing that I wanted to look at. And another thing, it can just lose the markets, bro. So that can still happen, but I still have to wait for my trade, regardless of what it would do. Let's go. See this one here. This one here too. Let's see, gold. See what I said, we just got activated. Let's see what happens, bro. Let's see what happens. So hopefully price just respects this, start going down. If not, we'll just see price skyrocketing upwards and doing all that. So this is very risky, guys, because right now news are happening. You guys are seeing how USDT is moving. You guys are also seeing how other things are doing. So it's very important that at a time like this, like, I manage risk properly, because me, yeah, man, I've got nice risk that is managed on it too. So I'm not really worried. But let's go. I don't know, maybe once we get at the bottom, I could still find some sell opportunities, right? If that all happens in the session, it would be nice to see it happen. It would be nice, like, to just see this thing dropping, coming at the bottom, and then being able to just target more. And it would also be nice to at least see gold like be somewhere in profits when others activate. Like, when I say others, I mean Nasdaq and USDT, just so I can at least lock in profits, because I don't want to be running trades all at the same time and they're all exposed to risk. So at least if one is in profits, the other one, locked in profits and things like that, it's easier, because I know that, it's not like I'm gonna take, like, I don't know, like, I've reduced the risk off the table. This one here is very aggressive. This one. When you see what it's doing here, it's a nice clean sell. You would be right if you caught a sell here, but the way that it's moving, it was not gonna be nice for you, because look, it shoots down. then it shoots back up to N3, then you choose back up. So it's not nice being involved in trades like this, regardless of how it is. So yeah, man, just gotta stay strong. Gold is now coming well. Yeah, Nasdaq is just breaking from the bottom, bro. I don't think Nasdaq is gonna be ready for a sell. Maybe now. I thought it was the one that was gonna be ready. And Nasdaq confuses me because I don't know once we get if this buy is gonna be solid. Because even here at the bottom, I can see that we could potentially get a nice clean buy. But I'm not too sure if it's gonna be like a solid buy, you know, that I can count on, you know. Because it looks bearish on the 1 hour, you know. So trying to aim for a buy like that might not really work out. USDT, I think I'm just gonna remove my pending order on it. I don't think it might be really any movement. Let's see, gold. Okay, let's see, gold is still there at the top. I don't think that but it makes sense for it to come here, bro. It makes sense. Let me just hold on to it. If it breaks above here and goes up, I'm just gonna cut out, like remove pending orders on it, and you know, just stay away from it for the day, and I'll just look at Nasdaq in terms of what it's more likely to give. But for now, let me also look at gold. Hopefully gold plays out, and hopefully it just does wonders, bro. It would be nice to just see gold skyrocket and taking out these lows and still continuing to go all the way down. That would be nice. That would be nice. So I see now with gold, what we've done is that we builded this nice, we respected these tops here, and then we done these lows, came back up, couldn't break those highs. Then now we're breaking these lows here. So it's like it's committing to the downside. Let's see, I think once this candle closes with a much more bearish structure, we might see it like, you know, dropping massively. Let's just see. You see once this candle closes, hopefully it closes just below. Yeah, it didn't really close below. So So I'm not too sure, bro. It didn't really close below, so yeah. Yeah, you see what it's doing now. I was expecting a close below, but I'm not too sure now because it didn't give me that candle close below. And gold shouldn't really be moving like this here. So I'm not too sure. I think those buyers could be strong, bro. So let's see. I don't know. This bullish candle is so strong. Hopefully the next bearish candle is going to take out those lows. We'll have to see now. But it's just showing that also there is some buying power as well here at the area that we're currently in. So we should also take note of that. And that's one thing that I like about the markets, because you can't really be sure, so that's why it's not wise to, go all in. Like, you can't be sure that this setup is going to play out and then, go all in, because if you're using like a leveraged account, you go 0.01 on like an account that only has 500 rands and you're selling. Once it does that spike up, your account can't handle it. You're out, you're out. So yeah, man, we'll see. We still have, okay, this candle didn't really close. 5-minute candle. It would have been nice to see it close. It's undecided though. It's okay, I can work with it, but it'll be nice to see the next 5-minute candle close below. So let's see. Which one is this one? No, this one, yeah, I'm gonna close the pending order that I had on it. It went beyond. Okay, let's see Nasdaq. I'm trying to see what the dollar index is saying. Could we be pushing higher or lower? And we could be pushing higher on the dollar index, which will push the gold low. Let's see, bro. Ooh. See what it's doing. Yeah, let's just see. Very strong area that we're in, right? Ooh. Never. I don't think. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure about this trade ish, because it seems like we broke above there. I'm not too sure anymore. But I'm still gonna let it play out. As much as I'm not too sure, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna try to close it or whatever. Like, it doesn't allow me to move my stop loss to like reduce, right? If let's say for instance I could find a place where I could reduce my stop loss, I would, but it doesn't allow me, so I'll just have to hold it in. And here one thing that I'm saying is we could potentially push up. Hopefully that's what we are gonna see for summer. Yeah, hopefully, because this is where once we see such a move, we might see what's gonna happen to gold. So hopefully this does happen, bro. Gold is going crazy, bro. Let's see. And what sucks with gold is that it could, bro, like I know this pattern, bro. It could melt down massively after this whole craziness. But it's hard because you can't really know when this craziness is gonna go, and you can't gamble and say right here or after you take stop loss and you just re-enter because you think it's gonna drop down, right? So that would just be gambling. Can't really do things like that. So let's see, bro. But yeah, I could see here when it failed to break below here that it's not ready for that sell. Like here at this time when it was here. So I don't know. Let's just see. Oh, bro. Okay, Nasdaq, there is Nasdaq. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully something should work out. Gold, I can see now we are at this area like this. If we can just break below the structure that we're in now, we might see wonders. We might see wonders. We might. But yeah, man, it's not easy. Just got activated on Nasdaq. Hopefully it plays out, bro. Hopefully. Hopefully. Oh, okay, I'm running 2-3s now, bro. Golden Nasdaq. Yeah, I think it makes sense. At least, I don't really have too many trades running. USDT, I'm not going to be focusing on it for the day. So, yeah, I think this does work. 2 trades that got activated, it's perfectly fine. No, it's just management. This one here, let me just do this. So let's see, Nasdaq, bro. Hopefully it doesn't follow USDT and go up. Hopefully. It's not gonna be nice. Yeah, bro. I'm not sure. Do you think 2 trades can go well? You take profit? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure, bro. Not too sure. I'm not too sure. I'm not gonna be ambitious and hope for the best. So yeah, guys, everything you guys are seeing is happening live. You guys saw execution, looking for trades, you know, management, everything you guys can see. I'm not a guru. I'm not saying that you never trade that a catch goes well. I'm not saying that I'm the best. Obviously, the whole goal is to become better. Trading is not about who's better than who. It's just about you being better to yourself and making sure that you improve. Each day when I show up here, I'm also learning. I'm also improving. When I see some mistakes that I make certain mistakes as well. I optimize. I fix them, and the best way that you learn as well is from getting feedback. You won't learn from not doing it. So what I'm just saying is that we're still learning, we're still growing. And yeah, man, just tap in, subscribe if you're finding value, subscribe. Let's go, team, let's go. Like this video as well. Only if you're finding value, just make sure that you show some love. We're going to continue doing this only if you are finding value, because that's the whole goal. I just want to do this till with these streams. Just want to continue doing them. So I'm not going to hide out knowledge. Let's see. Okay, I think you see now with gold, with this bearish candle, it looks like it might want to sell, right? So it looks like it's taking for a nice clean sell. Let's see. I'm not gonna really go crazy or like add positions, because truth speaking, if I was aggressive, I could have added positions saying, yeah, now it's a confirmation. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to really bite my nails and things like that. I just want to take it easy, manage my trades nicely, not bother anyone, So as well with the Sonia, I hope things work out well with it. Let's just see. So Sonia, we see now we tested, and previously, if you can see properly, when we tested highs, we reject. Test high, we reject. Now we test high. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna close, or are we gonna reject? High chance we might reject, because why? We see data from back 1, 2, it happens. So now this is the third time. Might reject, maybe close somewhere around here. I don't know. What time is it? There's still 3 more minutes. Okay, I don't know if that rejection is gonna be that big. It might slide to go down. Nasdaq, we're starting to see a bearish push. Gold, yeah, we're still holding on. So USD, let's do this too. Let me see what the dollar index done. So with the dollar index, you see what I was looking for. I was looking for price to testing here, just here, please, and then break above. That's what's going to give me confidence, more confidence on gold, right? But if it doesn't, listen to me carefully. If the dollar index respects this area and then goes up, we good. But if it doesn't and then it goes below, we not. With gold, we not. So right now where we are, that's why it's pushing, because it's going slightly down till here. It's also doing what? It's pushing gold high. That's why you see gold slightly going higher, coming back, going higher, coming back. So right now, the only thing that we should be hoping for is for the dollar index to start pushing upwards. So that's what we need to be praying right now. Our prayers need to be focused on the dollar index going up. So imagine we see dollar index just skyrocketing, giving us a candlestick like this to the upside. To areas like here. That would be, like a powerful move. And we haven't really got any news that I want to get to us now. 4 p.m. Right now we have news that are coming up. It's not going to be massive news. You'll see in the next 1 minute. Let's see, news came out now. You can see negative factory orders. It's showing that it's negative 1.3. What is actual forecasted is 1.7. So it's more, it is positive compared to actually it's good for currency. It is positive. So maybe let's see. It is positive. So if it's positive, it means actually it's good for, if it's good for currency, hopefully we might see the dollar push up, right? That's what we're aiming for, because that's the whole point right now. If the news are good, it means that we might see this thing here pushing up, and if that's the case, this could be shooting down. Let's see, Nasdaq is still giving us problems. I'm not too sure about it, but let's see gold. Let's go gold. Let's go, bro. This is where we is. Gold we coming now. Gold we coming. Let's go gold. Hopefully Nasdaq plays out as well. Hopefully, bro. Let me see what your state has been doing. Yeah, you see yesterday from that area that I spoke about that it's going to be coming back down. You see now it's coming. It's coming back down. So it's going to come back to that area that I was looking for. It's just obviously, I don't think that I'm going to take it even if it gets there now. I don't think for now I am going to take it. Already the first setup that I wanted to take is gone, you know. So having to, you know, work around another setup now, I don't think it's not the same one that I'm seeing. So it can still play out, by the way, but it's not the exact same one that I'm seeing. Okay. Let's go team. See Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I don't know, but I think should I close it? Should I let it run? I don't. This is not what should happen with Nasdaq, bro. Gold is taking time as well. Nasdaq, bro. Let's see, is it gonna respect this area? Hopefully we respect this area, team. You guys can see what's happening, team. What's happening? Are you guys doing well? Did any of you guys catch any trades so far for the day? Let's see. Did any of you guys catch any trades so far for the day? What are you guys in? I just want to see. Did any of you catch any trades? What are you in? Let's see, team. Drop those comments. Drop those comments. Let's see, team. Let's see. US30 sell now. Oh, nice one. Siba. Nice one. Oh, you cut the sell. That was clean, bro. Nice one, team. Yes, sir. Catching. Oh, nice. The team is catching. Perfect. This is what I love seeing, bro. This exact same thing is what I love seeing. I love seeing this. Let's go, team. We got this. You see how Nasdaq done this rejection here? It might go crazy and go to the bottom. Let's go. Nasdaq is coming. Yo, bro, and I was losing hope on Nasdaq, imagine. Young brother was losing hope on Nasdaq. Let's see USDT what it's doing. Okay, it's still coming. We'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. Let's see gold. Gold had this break to the bottom here, which looks good. So, truth speaking, I see it should just, right now, the only thing I'm waiting for on gold is to just drop, bro, because it done everything right. It done this break. It went up to retest. It's not coming. So, I'm just waiting for it to go down. And I'm not going to do anything on it, like add more positions or do like things like that, because if I do that, then I'm going to be emotionally invested in it as well. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna let it run, right? Let's see. Let me see. Yeah, here you see we had that nice bullish run up. I'd still love to see price breaking above there. Let's go US 100 and gold. Oh, nice. So you cut US 100 and gold. Nice one, team. Gold, nice one. So yeah, man, let's just do this, team. there. You see gold is doing, Nasdaq, the dollar index is doing that. So I would love to see it respecting this area and then pushing back up massively. Hopefully it does that. Let's see what this one here is doing. Oh, this one here is dropping, bro. Oh, this one is dropping. Let me see how everything is running. Okay, we're still coming well. 120. Gold, we're not really moving that much. The Nasdaq, we are. Do you think we're gonna break these lows? I don't know, we'll see. Oh, bro, let's push team, let's push. Obviously I'm still exposed to risk, so what I mean by that is that there's still risk that I'm exposed to, which means that the only best way for me to be out of risk is if I could remove my stop loss to either break even or in profits, things like that. So if price at least moves away from, where it is right now, close to my end, it is in profits, yes, but I wanted to, progress, like, break these lows. Once we break these lows, then it's going to be much more better, because the honest truth is that this 3D, I'm not really looking to just 1:2. Yes, I feel like this is going to be great once it gets here and gives 1:2, but I'm actually looking for it to hit you at the bottom, bro. This is my actual goal. So yeah, let's go. We're respecting, we're coming up well. Obviously, team, if you're finding value, the best thing that you can do is to subscribe. We are now on the run to hit 300,000 subscribers, and I highly believe with your help we are going to be getting there. Just look properly. If you didn't subscribe, make sure that you do hit it right now. There's massive value that's being dropped day in, day out. We learn day in, day out. We grow day in, day out. We just become better. And yeah, man, the best thing that you can do right now is to subscribe. And I can see that we have a number of us that are watching this session right now as we speak, but the likes are not, corresponding to the amount of people that are watching. So obviously, guys, if you finding value from watching this session right now, the best thing that you can do is to, like it as well. Just press that like button. So yeah, man, let's go. Okay, now you can see the price gold retraced a bit more up. Nasdaq retraced high, which it happens. I'm just not too sure if now we are gonna be coming up to these areas, test them before we have that push down, because I can see we had these low here. See that we took out here. I can see it, we had it before we took it out, and then this is like, what was printed before that push down. So I'm not too sure. Maybe we might see price, and then going down, coming back down to take out these lows here at the bottom. Let's see. Let's just see. Hopefully, like I did say, what I can maybe do now for Nasdaq, truly speaking, is, you see where my stop loss is. I think it's too far, because already this is holding. And I'm expecting this to hold. So if it goes above, it's no longer my setup. So what I can rather do on Nasdaq is I'm going to reduce my stop loss, right? Just to be on the safe side, bro. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to bring it like maybe somewhere here. So that if price happens to go above, I know that, like, I'm not going to take that much risk anymore. That's just management, something that will make me be comfortable with the way that I'm trading, right? Like, you don't really, like, it's not something that you have to do, but for me, yeah. Let's just see. Okay, I can see now that dollar index has tapped into that area that I wanted it to tap into. So, truth speaking, right now, I would love to see it. So, buy. Let's see. Take out these highs and so on. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. We're running right now. This is live. Everything's happening in live. Obviously, guys, if you're finding value, like, subscribe. And let me see what USDT is doing. I forgot about it. And remember they were selling it. Yo, bro. It went slightly up. I don't know. You guys, I remember, what was it? A couple of members, you guys were selling it. Are you guys still in? How did you? Because I honestly don't think if you caught it, like, even the profits would have been, because even if you have a stop loss above here, it's still 1:1, I don't think it was like a really good run, but maybe, I don't know, you managed it first of all. What does it do? How did you guys manage it? How did it go? Did it go well? USDT, the ones that had it running? Was it? It's True Money and Lisiba. Yes, True Money and Lisiba. Nasdaq, we came back down, you see. Nasdaq, truth speaking, even putting stop loss here would be, like, here, bro, would be okay. Yeah, because I don't see it going back up. It shouldn't really, from where it is right now, it shouldn't really go back up. But I still locked it. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure that you're doing that right now as we speak. Hit that button, team. Hit it. Let's go. We're doing this, bro. You can see right now we're live managing gold, Nasdaq. Yeah, man, it's not easy. Obviously, the markets, bro. You can hold a trade, manage it for like an hour or even 2 hours, only for the trade to go against you. You understand? So it does happen, but you need to not be involved with like revenge, because like now you waited 2 hours, the trade went against you, and then now you're gonna feel like let me, put in more, let me enter it, it's still gonna go down, let me enter more. It's like, let's say for instance, if you took a sell on USD here, like the members that already had a sell, if you took a sell here and then it goes down and then it does this, and then now you're like, no, but it was not supposed to take me, it's because of this, it's gonna go down more, and then you want to take another one and have it here. And you see, the thing is, you are right, because it does go down in profits, right? But the problem is closing it. You don't close it on time, because now you see it was giving you profits, it went back up. Saving this one might go down and then go back up. So that's it does happen. I understand. It's the markets. Thank you so much. Super. Nice one, Lisibo. Nice one. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Guys, I just got gifted. Thank you. Highly appreciated, bro. Highly appreciated. Let's see, Nasdaq. We're melting on Nasdaq, bro. We're melting on Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I see it coming, taking out these lows. Let's see gold. Bro. Yeah, we ran into 80. Let's see this side here. 100, 100. Still close to N3. Oh, bro. Okay, now gold, I'll have to see how I'm gonna manage it. I mean Nasdaq, because we can come take out these lows. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Okay, gold, I can see that we are now taking out this low, yeah. Bro, hopefully this plays out, bro. Nasdaq is back up here. I just wanted it to continue going down. I don't want it to respect this area. I want it to break below. So maybe, I think I should just move break even, let me see on the 1 minute. Yeah, because we broke these areas. Okay, not really break even, but like at least lock in, because look, bro, lower low, lower high, lower low. So risking that I think it's dumb. So I'm just gonna lock in here, right here. And then, yeah, I know I've removed most of my risk, you see, because I'm already running nice profits. Why would I want to give that? So like at least even if it goes against me, whatever, I know that, like, you know, I still, like, it's good, bro. Like, it's good management. I don't know. Yeah. So now the only goal is I can be aggressive and try to lock it here. Like, let's say, try to lock it here and so on. But let me just not do that, you know. Let me just be ambitious and hope for it to go down. It can go up and then take me out and all that. Can happen, I know, but I think it's better. Unlike maybe if this thing goes up and then boom, shoots all the way, and then now I lose money when I was running money. I don't think that's the best thing. Yeah, I can see that now. It's just, we're doing this, bro. We are. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Bro, you are back. No, bro, I'm still out here, bro. I'm not back in the country. I'm still hustling out here, but I'm still hustling. I'm still hustling, bro. Still hustling. I'm now in Thailand. I think that's something I need to start looking into, locking it as well. Maybe somewhere here. I don't know. Gold, Nasdaq, I might start looking into. I want to lock in maximum profits, bro. I'm going to lock in maximum profits right here. Right here. Yeah. I just want to be on the safe side, bro. Management. Yeah, bro. I'm running nice, bro. Why wouldn't I want to lock in max, bro? Right here. Perfect. No matter what, this trade is a win. Perfect. If it goes down, get to make more. But if it still does its thing, I still logged in, bro. I logged in max, you can see. Nice one. Okay, let's see. Now we're going for those lows. Now we're going for the lows, bro. Let's go. Yo, bro, Nasdaq, we cracking the lows, brother. We cracking the lows. Which one is this one here? Yo, bro, look at this, bro. Bro, I can't give back. Take profit hit. Whew. Take profit has been hit. Take profit has been hit. Take profit has been hit. Team. Yeah, man, this is the chase. As you can see, everything is happening live, bro, live. And we just cracking. Nice one, bro. I'm happy, bro. Oof. Let's see, gold. Do you have potential to do what you just, bro? Look at this, bro. Oh, and we're still going, bro. We're still going. I think right now we'd have like locked in profits here, like right here, take profit. But wins in the chat, team. Wins in the chat. Wins in the chat, guys. Wins in the chat. You can see we just literally went hit take profit right now on Nasdaq. Yeah, man. We came up with this trade. We managed it. We analyzed it. We looked at it, and we hit take profit. You know, right now everything's happening live. You can simply see it's thousands of us, and we're still also on gold. We're gonna have to look at gold, but right now, through speaking, break even, and then it's not gonna be negative, bro. Positive day. Yeah, man, I'm excited, bro. I'm happy, bro. Wins in the chat, team. Let's go. Let's go, team. Another day, another profitable day. You can see gold, Nasdaq, whatever, bro, you name it. We're just hitting targets here. We're just hitting targets. Let's do this. I'm so happy, bro. I think management now on gold. I might be aggressive as well with management because, you know, young brother might maybe even log profits here. I think that was too aggressive, but you know, I don't know. Why not, bro? Like, this was perfect, bro. Look at this, yo, bro. Like, yo, bro. See, gold. I think gold, I just want to lock it in here. You know, because this is a low, bro. If it respects this and want to go up, I don't want to be caught up on the wrong side, right? Let's see. I put it here now. I just put it now. It didn't get activate. Yeah, man. Because truly speaking, yeah, I just logged in here. It's either it goes down or whatever. I don't care about it now because already profits were made. Because truly speaking, look at it. Yeah, I think it will take me out now. I'm just going to go out. Yeah, I'm out on gold. I'm out on gold. We out on gold, bro. We out on gold. Yeah, bro. I'm just out on gold. I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm out on gold. I'm done. Nice one, team. This was nice. Nice one. Yeah, I'm dead that I'm out, bro. Like, let's go. We just exited gold profit once more. Same thing with Nasdaq, bro. Can see the chat, bro. Everything is happening live. And yeah, man, it's been profitable days for the last, I don't know, 2 weeks. Day in, day out, profitable. Let's go, team. Let's go. Who, bro? I don't even know, bro. I don't know anymore, bro. Like the way we just killing these markets, but it doesn't make sense, bro. It doesn't make sense. It's unfair to the competitor, bro. It is unfair. Imagine I just went out and look at what it's doing now, bro. Imagine, bro. Ha 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 ha. I'm happy. Nasdaq, I think it's still shooting, but I'm glad, bro. I went out. Yeah. It's perfect. No, this is the perfect. Yo, bro. Bro, look at this, bro. This does not, bro. Like, it doesn't make sense. Look at this. Look at this run. Look at this. Executed here. Exited here. Nah, bro. Like, look at this. This is tough because I executed here. I went, held on a bit, exited here. And it can go down. But remember, this is a very strong support, right? Look at it. Support. Which means that it could, if I want to hold it more, I'm hoping for a break. And you know, it might happen, it might not happen. So that's one thing that I need to also not remember and know. But yeah, man, I don't have any more words, bro. You guys are seeing this, bro. It's happening live. Ooh, please, bro. I don't know. Subscribe to the chat. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Subscribe, bro. Subscribe. And I think everything is also being led by, you know, when you're executing trades with proper risk and, you know, not doing too much, not going hard, it allows you to be able to manage it proper. Because if I use like a big lot and it's going down and it's making, already, you know, like I'm going to start making certain decisions and I'm going to start doubting and I'm going to start doing this and doing that, and then I'm going to, you know, hurt it, you know. So it's very important to, when you enter, when you're buying, when you're selling, to use a risk that you can manage. Like, you know, that's why they call it risk appetite. You know, eat food that you can manage, use risk that you can manage. If you're selling, look at it, like let's just say you were selling and you're like, no, it's gonna go down. When we were selling here, you enter, your account is only 200 rands, but you enter with so many, sell 0.01. It does this, you're already at minus 200, you know. Now you're angry, we're against it, or you're losing money, you even close it, whatever. And then look, does this, you know. So we can be in the same trade, but you lose, I win, you know, that can happen. It's how the market works. Nasdaq, true speaking, but I'm not going to take this buy, but I think it's going to respect this area and then go up, but I'm not going to take it because I think it might still, you know, break the lows. That's why I had this sell here. It might still break the lows. So but this is an interesting area as well for a buy. Let's see dollar index, what we done here. See, remember what the dollar index, what I was saying, once we get this push up, that's why we're gonna see dollar dropping. You see, we're coming up, bro. We're still gonna break above here, we're still gonna go more higher, and we're still gonna maybe potentially see gold as well breaking below here and coming down here. So that's what we're still gonna be seeing. So yeah, man, let's go team, let's go. Let's go team, let's go team. Just want to see how gold is going to play out. Also want to see how Nasdaq is going to play out, if those buys at the bottom are going to work out. But like I did say, I'm not going to take them on my side. If someone sees them, if that is part of your, you know, trade entry, whatever you want to call it, like setup type thing, you can take it, obviously, you know, if you know how you're going to manage it, and if you can obviously even go through, like, manage the losses that are going to come with it. But if you won't be able to manage it, you know, I don't think you should even be looking at it. But that's what I mean. Now I know there's a chance of it playing out, but I'm even saying I'm not gonna take it because of already I done a lot of, like, you know, like managing when it comes to brain energy. I already use most of my brain energy on managing that and that. So going also on gold is like now I'm chasing many times. Let's see what GS30 is doing to you. GS30 still playing. Let's go to what trades are you guys currently in? Do you guys have any trades that you're currently running with? Let's see. None. You haven't got any running? Nothing. Let's see Nasdaq. We tested the bottom here with Nasdaq before we call it a session. You see we tested the bottom here. Let's see what's gonna work out. We tested here, so I would take a buy here, but I'm not gonna take it. Obviously, I'm keeping on saying that, but I would take a buy here. 1:2. Just here. Let's see. Nearly got to take profit, you can see, but now I'll be waiting for another push up. Let's see. Let's see how we're gonna respect those lows. You see what it's doing now. See what it's doing, you see. So yeah, man, sometimes it's just good to wait, right? It's where we're going. Luckily, you see now, otherwise I was gonna be giving back profits and things like that, right? Yeah. Let me make sure I've flattened it all. Yeah, Nasdaq is still going well, but I mean, not going well. Obviously, I'm still seeing that sell on this side, yeah, but obviously. So, yeah, man, let's go. Gold, I still see it. Like you see this one here, I saw this sell. That's why I was holding on to the sell, because I was looking at the sell here. Let's see, did members take it? Because I remember someone, I think you wanted to enter it. Currently running gold. Okay, you're still running on gold sell. Okay, was it Xavier? Are you still running on gold sell? You see gold, this is a breakout. I don't think it's going to reject and go back up. I think this is actually a breakout. Let's go, team. Let's go. We're doing this. We're hungry for this, bro. Let's see. Gold not really progressing like that. You see gold is still playing. Yo, Nasdaq is doing its thing, but gold is still playing. So gold is not going to be the best option to still hold on to it. So let's go, team. It is a win day. Win day. Yeah, man. And tomorrow is Friday. Obviously, one more last day for the week. Monday profit, Tuesday, Wednesday, all those days. But doesn't matter what you've done in the past. Tomorrow is the last day for the opportunities to take advantage of the markets. And yeah, man, then we can call it a week from there. Let's see how it goes, bro. Let's see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes, bro. Let's see. Bank holiday tomorrow. Oh, okay. We might not see that much volume, right? Let's see tomorrow. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it's not gonna happen much July, but we'll still show up. We'll just see what we can, if like something's gonna happen, we'll just show up. But if we're not gonna force the market, right? If the market doesn't give us anything, we're not gonna force it. That's the most important. Gold as well, where it is right now. That's why the reason I also exited is because you see here, I'm still seeing that sell. I still believe it's gonna go down, but I'm seeing this too, I'm seeing this, and the fact that I'm seeing two scenarios, and even this buy, I could take it because it looks clean, like, it's break above. You can see break above, came back. We're respecting these lows, we're testing here, we're going up and targeting these highs. It could still be right, because it could still also maybe want to go up, and then maybe even just do like a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, yeah, anything, man. So because I'm seeing all these scenarios, I'm just gonna be out, because also I still believe that it could just go down, so I'm just gonna let it play out. Yeah, Nasdaq, you can see. So I'm dead, bro. Imagine if I forced it and I said, guys, I'm buying Nasdaq. I was going to take loss on it, and I was going to probably give back some, not all of it, but like some profits for the day. but something, obviously I knew that I shouldn't take it, I shouldn't do all that, you understand? So sometimes you need to be in sync with the markets, bro, and be able to do the right thing, do the right thing, do the right thing, and do the right thing by subscribing. Subscribe. Oh no, gold. Yeah, you see what it's doing. We can't have that push up. So because I'm seeing that, but I'm not gonna really play into it that much. See, gold is going up. See, gold is going up. Okay, let's see. I'm very interested to see what's gonna more likely happen to gold. So let's take a look at it. Gold, what I'm seeing is either first scenario, like I did say, price is gonna go up and then break above, go up, like buy, but I'm still seeing a sell which could come here and then go down, which does this. That's what I'm still seeing. So obviously, if you're holding profits, imagine I already I was thinking, imagine I was holding negative till close to stop loss when it's coming here, but I'm not gonna be greedy and say, oh, I'm hoping for the no, bro. It's already giving me. I was thinking that I'm gonna lose already here. I was thinking that I'm not gonna make it. Yo, look at Nasdaq, bro. Nasdaq is still gonna go down, bro. Yo, look at this 1 hour sell. This is the trade that we caught, by the way, bro. But we're still gonna go down. So tomorrow we might see it somewhere around here playing, whatever. I'll have to wait for that. Let's go with you. Option 2. Okay, let's see option 2. Option 1 is we buying, we breaking above. Option 2 is we selling. So okay, let's see what's gonna happen. You think option 2 makes sense, right? Yeah, I think so too. Let's go. But yeah, man, we've been running, guys. It's been over 2 hours that we've been on this session. I highly believe that we did play our part. We did, show up. I caught 2 profitable trades, so obviously, on my side, I'm happy. I'm happy with the progress that's been made today, and I don't really want to do too much. I'm already happy, done my thing for the day. I've read my targets, my goals, whatever, however you want to put it. So team, the best thing that you can do is to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe right now. Subscribe team. Subscribe, and let us do this, bro. Let's meet up tomorrow, same place, same time, guys. You do know me. Around these times here in New York session, find me here. Tomorrow is gonna be bank holiday, but we'll just see if the market is gonna give us something, right? We wanna see if the market is gonna give us something. And yeah, man, you guys saw everything's happening live. If you are new, it happens every single day. You can still go on my YouTube and find more videos that are valuable. I have a lot of videos that I talk about the markets and everything, strategies, things like that. You can also hit the link that is in description, just so you are able to get access to our Telegram community where I give updates and things like that. Plus, at the same time, if you still want to learn, you can hit some of the links in the description where you can get access to, some materials that we have going on and things like that. But yes, man, I'm happy that you guys did show up, and I'm happy that we had a good session. Thank you so much for pulling through, team. Thank you so much. And let's connect once more tomorrow. See you.